In this video I'm going to show you how to download, install and play EA Sports FC 25 on your PC. So what we need to do, open our Google browser, and before we start I would like to ask you to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Once you have done that, go to the search bar, and if you buy games at Steam it can get really expensive. So if you buy games at Steam, it can get really expensive, but we got a workaround. First, we need to locate this game at Steam. So search for the Steam website, then we will search for the game, and after that we will click on it. So scroll a little bit down, and as you can see, this game is €69.99 on Steam. Very expensive, we don't want to pay that for the game. So we have a workaround. Click on the link in the description where it says find game, and you will be redirected to the site. So now search for the same game over here, select games on the left side, then filter it by price lowest first, and as you can see, this game is already available for €14. So that will save you a lot of money if you buy this game on this website instead of Steam. So once you have decided to buy this game, you will be receiving an email confirmation with all the steps and a activation key for the Steam platform. So you are downloading the game on Steam, but much cheaper than buying it in the Steam store. And that is how you save yourself a lot of money. And if this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!